Everybody, let's take a look inside our animal alphabet book. From A to Z, who will we meet? Let's sing along to the animal beat. A is for alligator, with a snappy smile. B is for bear, sleeping for a while. C is for cat, who loves to chase a mouse. D is for dog, guarding the whole house. Oh, the animal alphabet, it's so much fun, singing with our friends till the day is done. From the jungle to the farm and the big blue sea, come sing the animal alphabet with me. E is for elephant, with a trunk so long. F is for frog, singing a croaky song. G is for giraffe, who's taller than the trees. H is for horse, galloping in the breeze. Oh, the animal alphabet, it's so much fun, singing with our friends till the day is done. From the jungle to the farm and the big blue sea, come sing the animal alphabet with me. I is for iguana, flicking out its tongue. J is for jellyfish, wiggling while they're young. K is for kangaroo, with a hop, hop, hop. L is for lion, who roars and doesn't stop. M is for monkey, swinging in the air. N is for narwhal, a sight that's very rare. O, P, Q, let's keep going, you and me. R, S, T, so many animals to see. U, V, W, we're almost at the end. X, Y, Z, let's sing it with a friend. O is for owl, who hoots all through the night. P is for penguin, in black and snowy white. Q is for quail, running in a line. R is for rabbit, looking so divine. S is for snake, who slithers on the ground. T is for turtle, slowly moving round. U is for unicorn, with a magic horn. V is for vulture,